The Mysterious Treasure. Welcome to the Mysterious Treasure interactive story quiz. Join us on an exciting adventure where you'll test your English reading comprehension skills. Follow the story carefully and choose the correct answer to each question. Let's begin. Once upon a time, Sarah found an old map in her attic. It was dusty and torn, but it seemed to lead to a hidden treasure. The map showed a path through the forest, across the river, and finally, to a large oak tree. Sarah decided to follow the map to find the treasure. Question 1. Where did Sarah find the old map? A. In her bedroom. B. In the attic. C. In the kitchen. D. In the garden. The correct answer is B. In the attic. Sarah entered the dark forest, following the map's directions. She heard the birds chirping and the leaves rustling in the wind. After walking for a while, she reached a fork in the road. Question 2. What did Sarah hear in the forest? A. Dogs barking. B. Music playing. C. Cars honking. D. Birds chirping. The correct answer is D. Birds chirping. Sarah followed the path that led her to a beautiful river. The water was clear, and she could see fish swimming beneath the surface. There was a small boat by the riverbank. Question 3. What did Sarah see in the river? A. Fish swimming. B. Ducks flying. C. Frogs jumping. D. Turtles sunbathing. The correct answer is A. Fish swimming. After crossing the river in the boat, Sarah found herself standing in front of a large oak tree. According to the map, the treasure was buried somewhere nearby. Sarah started digging around the oak tree, following the map's instructions. Question 4. Where did Sarah end up after crossing the river? A. In front of a cave. B. In a meadow. C. In a village. D. In front of a large oak tree. The correct answer is D. In front of a large oak tree. After a few minutes, her shovel hit something hard. She dug a little deeper and uncovered a wooden chest filled with gold coins and precious jewels. Excitedly, Sarah decided to share her discovery with her friends and family. She also decided to help the poor people in her village. Question 5. What did Sarah decide to do with the treasure? A. Keep it all for herself. B. Share it with other people. C. Bury it again. D. Sell it. The correct answer is B. Share it with other people. Congratulations, you've reached the end of the Mysterious Treasure interactive story quiz. How many questions did you answer correctly? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun quizzes and English learning adventures.